Hey homies, this is AdHew here. Thanks for being patient and viewing the next part of this hands-on video. Today I'm going to show you on how to basically RSVP via Anyvite. As you can see, here is my email inbox, and I have an email which is unread down here. So I'll just go ahead and click it. This is by Anyvite, by the way. You can see here, this is the email template that is being sent by Acts Homes SJ6 to my email. So you can read the details as below. Friday, 4th October 2013, home is on this Friday at Chef Jim's house at this location, which you can click the map below here to see the Google Map version of it. So you can see this is the location of Chef Jim's location. Of course, if I have any trouble getting lost, I can contact Chef Jim or Joshua Chum, and I need to RSVP if possible by latest Thursday, 3rd of October 2013. There are three ways to basically RSVP this email attendance. First one is by view the invitation. Second one is RSVP yes, maybe, no. Third one is by invite guests using Anyvite. The previous email that I've sent you guys are basically a practice session for Anyvite test invite, which has the yes, maybe and no. If you have been doing your homework and you've been trying out the previous version of my email, you'll notice that when you click yes, maybe or no, your attendance will automatically be locked in as yes, maybe and no in the Anyvite web page. However, in this new email system that I'm going to send to you, you have to basically manually key in your invite via a drag or drop down list in the Anyvite web page. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, it's okay, because I'm going to explain to you right now. If assuming that I would have clicked this yes RSVP, it will basically launch me to the Anyvite web page. As you can see here, this is the Anyvite web page that has been custom made by me to your email inbox. The details of the RSVP are also in this web page, whereby it's pretty similar like the one in the email. You have your date and time here, your location here, as well as, if you want, you can also add some comments here later on. But ultimately, I would say that you need to always check that you are able to key in your RSVP here. So I'll put in my first name, which is Adrian, my last name, which is Hugh, my email address, which is over here, as well as my RSVP as yes, and the number of guests that I'd like to bring at this point in time. I am coming alone, so I'll basically put it as 0. And after double checking my details are correct, then I'll basically press submit. Upon successful submission, you will basically receive that your RSVP status is successful. Your response is changed to green color, which is yes, and over here your guest list is stated as you're attending with your name here. You also basically receive a second email as confirmation that you have basically accepted the Anyvite invitation by keying the necessary details as mentioned in my previous web page. This is my response, which was yes, and I have basically not included any more guests. If you like to check again, you can always click view the invitation, and you can see that my response is still stated as yes. This is the tutorial basically for those that are not using any Anyvite account without any login or password in that sense. But those of you who already have an Anyvite account which you have created previously, you can use this method as I'm going to show you right now. Same thing as well, when you receive the email from Acts Homes SJ6, all you have to do is either click RSVP here, invite more guests, or click the invitation here. So I'm going to click the first one. So this will launch the Anyvite web page, as you can see here. But this time it's a little bit different because I'm going to use my own personal account login. I put it as maybe, and maybe 3 guests as my friends. So I click submit after checking that I've keyed in the right details. You can see here that I need to log in with my own email address and my password. This only applies for those of you who have already got an Anyvite account. So all to do is just key in here the password and log into Anyvite. And there you go. You can see that my name, AdHew, here is my picture here. I have 3 guests that I'm bringing. I'm keying as maybe, and it's +3 here. So this is pretty much how you have to do for RSVP via Anyvite. And you will receive another email to confirm your attendance, yes, as well as the number of guests which you have brought, which you can always click back here to check again. So that's all you need to do for this point of view at this time for this video. Hope you'll learn something from this video and hope to see you again. Thank you very much for your time.